A production manager plays a central role in overseeing manufacturing operations, ensuring that production targets are achieved on time, within budget, and with consistent quality. This role demands leadership, strategic thinking, and the ability to coordinate between multiple departments such as planning, procurement, quality, and maintenance. From optimizing workflows to managing staff and resources efficiently, the production manager ensures the entire process runs smoothly. In this guide, we will explore common production manager interview questions with sample answers and practical tips. These examples will help candidates structure responses that reflect their managerial experience, technical understanding, and problem-solving capabilities. By preparing clear and well-thought-out answers, you can highlight your expertise and leadership skills effectively. Understanding the role of a production manager is responsible for planning, organizing, and supervising the manufacturing process to ensure timely delivery of products that meet quality standards. The job involves managing budgets, optimizing efficiency, and maintaining coordination between departments. Employers seek candidates who can combine technical knowledge with strong leadership to enhance productivity and ensure safety and compliance. Preparing for a production manager interview involves demonstrating experience in process improvement, quality assurance, resource management, and effective communication. Understanding the company's products and production workflow will help tailor your answers to align with their operational needs. Question 1. What are the main responsibilities of a production manager? Here's how you can answer. The key responsibilities of a production manager include planning daily and long-term production schedules, managing workforce allocation, ensuring quality control, and minimizing downtime. The role also involves budgeting, coordinating with other departments, implementing process improvements, and ensuring that production meets both safety and environmental standards. Tip: emphasize leadership, organization, and results-oriented planning. Question 2. How do you ensure production efficiency and quality simultaneously? Here's how you can answer. Efficiency and quality must go hand in hand. I focus on setting clear production goals, providing proper training, and ensuring that all processes follow standard operating procedures. Regular monitoring, performance analysis, and feedback sessions help maintain both speed and accuracy. I also encourage a culture of accountability so that quality is everyone's responsibility. Tip: show your ability to balance productivity with quality assurance. Question 3. How do you handle production delays or bottlenecks? Here's how you can answer. When delays occur, I first identify the cause, whether it's manpower shortage, equipment failure, or supply issues. I prioritize tasks, redistribute resources, and communicate the situation to stakeholders. Preventive planning, regular maintenance, and contingency strategies are key to minimizing future bottlenecks. Tip: demonstrate problem solving, quick decision-making, and communication. Question 4. How do you manage and motivate your production team? Here's how you can answer. I believe in leading by example and maintaining open communication. I recognize good performance, provide constructive feedback, and involve team members in decision-making. Regular meetings, training, and appreciation programs help keep morale high. Motivated employees are more engaged and productive. Tip: highlight leadership, empathy, and motivation strategies. Question 5. How do you ensure workplace safety in the production environment? Here's how you can answer. Safety is always a top priority. I make sure that all employees receive safety training and follow established protocols. Regular inspections, proper use of personal protective equipment, and quick reporting of hazards help prevent accidents. Maintaining a safety-first culture improves both morale and productivity. Tip: emphasize commitment to safety and compliance. Question 6. How do you control production costs without affecting quality? Here's how you can answer. I control costs by optimizing resource usage, reducing waste, and improving process efficiency. Regularly reviewing material consumption, machine performance, and labor allocation helps identify savings opportunities. However, I never compromise quality standards, as long-term customer trust depends on consistent product excellence. Tip: Show understanding of cost control and long-term value creation. Question 7. How do you handle conflicts between production and other departments? Here's how you can answer. When conflicts arise, I prioritize communication and collaboration. I try to understand the perspective of other departments and find common ground that serves the company's goals. For example, coordinating with maintenance for equipment scheduling or with procurement for timely materials can prevent misunderstandings. Tip: demonstrate diplomacy, cooperation, and problem-solving. Question 8. What strategies do you use for continuous improvement in production? Here's how you can answer. I follow continuous improvement principles like Lean, Kaizen, and Six Sigma to eliminate waste and enhance efficiency. Regular review meetings, employee suggestions, and performance analysis help identify improvement areas. Implementing small but consistent changes leads to sustainable progress. Tip: mention familiarity with improvement frameworks and data-driven decision-making. Question 9. How do you manage production planning and scheduling? Here's how you can answer. I create production schedules based on customer demand, available resources, and delivery deadlines. Coordination with procurement and maintenance ensures that materials and machines are ready. I monitor daily progress, adjust plans when necessary, and ensure that production targets align with overall company goals. Tip: emphasize planning, coordination, and adaptability. Question 10. How do you handle underperforming team members? Here's how you can answer. I first identify the reason behind underperformance, whether it's lack of skill, motivation, or clarity. I provide guidance, set measurable goals, and offer additional training if needed. If performance doesn't improve, I follow the company's disciplinary procedure while maintaining fairness and respect. Tip: highlight coaching, fairness, and responsibility as a leader. Question 11. Can you describe your experience with production management software? Here's how you can answer. I have experience using production management tools such as SAP, ERP systems, and Excel-based dashboards. These systems help in planning schedules, monitoring performance, and tracking costs in real time. I believe digital tools play a key role in improving transparency and operational efficiency. Tip: mention software proficiency and data management skills. Question 12. Why should we hire you as our production manager? Here's how you can answer. You should hire me because I have the experience, leadership skills, and technical understanding necessary to manage production efficiently. I have a proven track record of improving productivity, maintaining quality, and meeting deadlines consistently. My ability to lead teams, solve problems, and focus on continuous improvement aligns perfectly with your company's operational goals. Tip: conclude with confidence, summarizing your key strengths. Final thoughts. Production manager interviews evaluate leadership, technical competence, and the ability to balance productivity, quality, and cost. Employers look for individuals who can manage complex operations while keeping teams motivated and ensuring workplace safety. By preparing clear and structured answers, candidates can effectively demonstrate their readiness for the role. Strong candidates highlight their experience in managing people, handling challenges calmly, and driving continuous improvement. Sharing practical examples of process optimization, teamwork, and problem-solving helps create a lasting impression. Ultimately, a production manager is the driving force behind smooth operations. By showing initiative, responsibility, and strategic thinking, you can present yourself as a capable professional who can guide the production team toward efficiency, innovation, and long-term success.